Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a shoe review and unboxing of the CLARKS NATALIE. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the CLARKS Originals NATALIE in the green colorway, and we've got this in a UK size 7.5, it's European for you 1.5. The US sizing is not in this box, but I will look when we do the unboxing. And here they are. So these are the NATALIE. It's an archival piece from CLARKS from the 90s. Very reminiscent of the CLARKS Wallaby, probably because of the moccasin shape and the crepe sole, but it's obviously very different because, as you can see, the crepe sole is extensive. Start with the outsole. So this outsole, as I mentioned before, is made out of the crepe sole that CLARKS Originals are famous for. All around, and it extends, as I mentioned before, to the toe and to the heel. So it's the back right there. Very comforting. Not comforting. It's not like you're just comforting someone. The outsole itself, the midsole unit as well, is made out of crepe material. It stood the test of time, and they're very comfortable. Yeah, gotta have to take my word for this. And we go on to the upper. So this upper has that moccasin shape. You can see it here. It's more or less the shape of a wallaby because of the last right there. You can see it. And it's in this green suede upper. Beautiful to touch. Very soft. Got two eyes for the laces. Swing tags with the CLARKS Originals logo on it. Also very lightweight, very kind of smart. It's, again, I want to say very unique because of the extensive crepe sole. But if you're a CLARKS head, it's one to add to the collection. I believe this is an exclusive with size. I could be wrong. Like, if anyone knows, let us know in the comment section below. But apart from the extensive crepe sole, I mean, I personally prefer a wallaby, but that's just myself. But it's different, you know. CLARKS do a lot of their archival pieces. They like to bring it out, and this one is another unique addition. It complements each other, to be fair. The colours with the crepe sole and the green. And just before we go into the on-feet review, look at the insole. So this insole is a leather insole with the CLARKS Originals printed on it. So that rounds up my review. Very unique take from CLARKS again, but one that we're here for. So roll out footage of me trying to use NATALIE's on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I typically wear a size down to what I usually wear. So I typically wear a size 7 when it comes to Clarks Originals. This is a UK size 7.5. And I think it's because this is a more narrow silhouette. This fits perfectly, actually, 7.5. Whereas if I was to wear a pair of Wallabies, those would be a half size down to what I usually wear for other brands. It feels a bit different because unlike the Wallaby, the crepe sole is a bit thinner. It's not as thick and it's more close to the ground, but it feels the same. I just don't feel as elevated as before. Very comfortable on. I know what to expect when it comes to the crepe sole. They look really cool as well, very unique with the toes of the crepe sole being extended, and it's in this gorgeous green. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of the parachute joggers from Uniqlo. They're still available, so do check that out. But if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, this is not a paid ad, and hook the boys up. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.